Howdy, folks, and good evening. We're live at 11:05 doing our 5-winner holiday giveaway battle. We got 62 names in our beefy list here. Bunch of happy holidays. I'm going to copy that and go up to the top just to take a look at what we're playing for. We got a couple of Star Wars Battle Box prizes. We got a Marsha Parkin Speed Sketch, famed Topps artist. She's a beast. We got the Jedi hardcover pop-up book and the Russian Oritet, Chewbacca-looking Russian boot. So here we go. Top 5. Pick an order. This is a draft battle. Happy holidays, everybody. We certainly appreciate you guys coming out every day, battling away. You're the best. We got 62 entries here. I'm going to roll the bones to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better for some sweet action, and we got it. We got a 7, so battle on. Here we go. 11:06. We're underway. As we begin. Andrew back in the top spot for our first round in there at number 52. Gary in the top spot, followed by Jason, Rob, Ron, and Alex. Jimmy Bones, followed by Jamie, Mike, Eric, and Scott in our next round. Lee, followed by Glenn, Nathan, Walter, and Scott in round 4. Marcus, Kenneth, Zach, Jamie, and Josh, round 5. Lee again on top in our next to last round, round 6, followed by Michael, Salvador, and Glenn coming into the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Dennis, Gary, Ian, Brent, and Donnie. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the rest of our esteemed list. Our verification code will make this legit. ROSX PV is our verification code. Again, there's our winners. And the rest of the list, there it is. I'm done at 11:07. There it is. Just to verify that, 11:07. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out. Happy holidays, everybody. It's been a great year. Hope everybody had a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you here in the year to come. Thanks, guys. See ya. Battle on.